Now we have completed first equation of motion. Now moving on to our second equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now children, S, as I have told you, it is displacement, not a speed. And displacement, how you get displacement from a velocity time graph? Yes, by finding the area under Vt graph. So this is your graph, this is the line which we are getting. So the area under this Vt graph will be the area of this part. Okay, this whole geometrical figure will be the area which gives the displacement. So how we will find the displacement? We will find the displacement by, for deriving second equation of motion, we will do area of triangle plus area of rectangle. So S is what? It is the area under Vt graph. Okay, and area of which geometrical figure? Area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Area of triangle, which triangle? ABC. So what will be the area of triangle ABC? This is a right angle triangle. So half base into height. Half base is what? AC. Height is what? It is V minus U, or you can write, first of all you can write it's BC. Okay, plus area of rectangle is length into breadth, so length AC, breadth CD, or you can take OD and AO, no problem. So I am taking AC into CD. Okay, now put the values. So S will be equal to half. What is the value of AC? It is T. And what is the value of BC? It is V minus U. What is the value of AC? It is T, and CD it's U. Clear? CD की value U है और AC की value T है. Now what we will do? See, just compare this equation with this equation. Just try to find out that alphabet which is extra in this equation but it is not there. So S is there, T is there, but V is not there. So we can replace V. How we will replace V? Just use first equation of motion. Let it be equation 1. So from equation 1, V is equal to U plus AT. Put this value of V in equation number 2. Putting this value in equation 2, what you will get? S is equal to half T, V की जगह पुट करेंगे हम U plus AT minus U, and this will be plus UT. Okay, so this U will be cancelled out. You will get S is equal to half into T into AT plus UT. Simplifying, we will get S is equal to half AT square plus UT, and then the final rearrangement will give S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So this is how we have got our second equation of motion, that is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So just try to do it by yourself step by step.